All right, friend, you should be on page 131. You should have just finished your number of the day. Now we're going to go ahead and do our vocabulary for 3.1. Sum. Say sum. The answer in an addition problem. So for example, in 3 plus 3, the sum is 6. If we're to do 4 plus 7, our sum is 11. This is our sum. Write this down. If we were to do 6 plus 2, our sum is 8. If we were to do 2 plus 2, our sum is 4. So the sum is always what comes after the equal sign in an addition problem. All right, go ahead and turn the page. Alrighty, friends, so now we're on page 132. So what we're focusing on today is focusing on how to use doubles facts. So doubles facts are facts that have the same add-in to make a sum. So let's go ahead and read this problem. Nathan has 6 toy cars. Alicia gave him 6 more toy cars. How many toy cars does Nathan have now? So it wants to know how many toy cars Nathan has now. So he has 6, and Alicia gives him 6 more. So in this case, we're adding because she's giving him more. So we're doing 6 plus 6. So we could always draw this out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we can go ahead and count on from 6 because we know this is 6. Ready? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So our sum is 12, which means that Nathan now has 12 toy cars. So, pretty simple, but sometimes we don't always want to draw it out. We want to learn how to do it faster. So, we're going to learn some strategies to help us solve addition problems that are close to doubles faster. So, you can use doubles facts to find sums for other facts. So, I have 3 plus 4. Well, I can separate 4 into 3 and 1 because 3 plus 1 also equals 4. Now I have a familiar doubles fact. What does 3 plus 3 equal? Right, 3 plus 3 equals 6. So this becomes 6, and now we just have to do 6 plus 1, and that equals 7. So 3 plus 4 equals 7. Again, if you know doubles facts, you can know the facts nearby them a lot faster. We could also do it the opposite direction. Let's say we want to do 7 plus 6. Well, our doubles fact we can get is 7 plus 7, but 6 doesn't equal 7. So I have to do 7 minus 1. That way I can get rid of the extra 1 I added. So now I can do 7 plus 7. What's 7 plus 7? Good, it equals 14. So now this got me 14, but I still have to take away 1 in order to get the proper number because I'm supposed to find 7 plus 6, not 7 plus 7. So 14 minus 1 gets me 13. So that means 7 plus 6 is 13. All right, let's try another couple together, and then I'll have you try a couple on your own. So let's say I want to do 2 plus 3. Well, 2 plus 3 is pretty easy, but we also want to make it a little bit easier. So if that's the case, what we can do is we can change this into 2 plus 2, and if I do 3, and I already used 2, I have 1 left over. So now instead of doing 2 plus 3, I have 2 plus 2 plus 1. So 2 plus 2 is my doubles fact. What's 2 plus 2? Good, it's 4, right? So that's where this comes from. And then I move my 1 down here. So now instead of having to do 2 plus 3, I just have to do 4 plus 1. And I know 4 plus 1 equals what? 5. Good. So that means that 2 plus 3 equals 5. All right, let's try another one. So I have 4 plus 5. So if I were to want to make this doubles fact, I'd bring this 4 down, and then I'd break 5 apart into 4 plus 1. Because then I have my doubles factor right here. They're both the same. And that 1 is what makes that into a 5. So now I have to do my 4 plus 4. That gets me 8. And then the plus 1. And then what's 8 plus 1? Good, that's 9. So that means that 4 plus 5 is 9. So pretty simple, right? If you know a doubles fact goes close to the fact you're looking at, it gives you a pretty good idea of what the sum is. All right, go ahead and try number 3 and number 4 on your own.